Give it a quarter turn.
What is that noise?
It hurts you.
Halloween crap.
Come on, baby.
Whoa. Had to switch phones because mine died on memory. That's why it looks different. Even though it's not running, it sounds better kicking over.
If I had a throttle cable, I could probably get it running easier.
You want me to do the throttle?
No. Hold on. It's not easy with no side stand, no seat,
Yeah.
and just trying to have fun.
Yeah, no kidding.
I'm not getting hurt. How's that?
And no room.
And no room. And not trying to break your leg.
Almost. Is the choke on?
There's no choke. I mean, I could choke it, but... Come on, baby.
Oh, dang. Needs more gas.
Oh, I want it. No, it doesn't. Come on now. Come on. Be good. Come on now.
Almost. You want to put a string there?
No. I got it yesterday. You just can't mess around on the top of a stroke like where it is right here.
Right,
Look,
right.
Look how much
Yeah.
compression it has.
Oh,
See?
yeah.
How it popped up on me?
Yeah. Insane. Do you have race gas in that? God, that sounds vicious. God, that sounds bitchin'. It runs so much better than
no.
on that other card. It's
Well-
like night and day.
Distributor and carb. Because remember before the guy had it,
Dude, it's not even warmed up and it was holding it idle.
the early distributor had no mechanical advance. This motor's one that has a mechanical advance. So it was locked and I had no twist grip. So I was like, the guy that had it before us, or the guy that actually built it, had it a locked advanced. So we don't even know what it is, but I know it's got a lot of compression. So.
Oh, yeah. What do you weigh, 200 pounds and you're
I'm
your weight on it?
Yeah. Jumping to get it going. So, it's cool. It's electric start, but I like kicking it.
Yeah.
So, and it has.
Plus, the electric's not even hooked up anyhow.
Well, I could just jump it, but because the starter's in there and everything.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that I keep hitting my leg on the battery every time I jump down. So.
We put that different
It's bitching now.
thing. Yeah, that's way bitching.
Like I said, it sounds so much better. With a
So
normal
much
car.
better.
So. Yeah. There's
Cool.
times when you want to leave it with drag pipes. You're like, I just want to leave it with drag pipes.
It's actually not that bad. It really isn't. No, it's not.
Okay.
It sounds better because when it was real fat before on the other carb, it sounded a lot louder.
Right.
Or poppy. This isn't. It sounds intense, but it's not obnoxious like it was.
Yeah.
And it's even the carburetor is way bigger too.
Yeah.
That thing looks rad on there. Even looks
It fits. When you
even
stand
looks
back,
cool with the flaking off chrome.
when
Because
I
then it
walk-
doesn't look like it runs.
Right.
And
When
it
I
runs
walk
so good.
out of the house in the morning and I look at it, I'm like, oh, that thing's pretty cool. That was a good decision to go to that carb.
Oh yeah, huge.
And it was a brother. Brother hooked us up with a Swami.
Yeah.
So, you know, you get people online, eBay, $2,000 for that thing. And
Yeah.
the guy's like, $150.
No one's gonna believe that, dude. How much was it?
$150.
No one
He
believes it.
wanted to, and he took $150 on it. And I didn't even have to rebuild it. I looked at it, I said, man, it looks so good, I'm just going to pour fuel in it. That's all I did. You saw me pour fuel
Right
in
now.
it.
Well, sometimes you get super deals.
So, yeah. So,
But he was also too. He was an enthusiast. I'm sure he, wanted to go to a good home.
we're going to get rid of this Volkswagen air cleaner. Put some stacks on it like you have with some gauze. And then mount the fender, mount the seat.
You mean foam? No one knows what the gauze is.
Well, official
Right.
term is gauze, but sure.
No one knows. Dude.
Screen mesh.
Just like nobody knows what an
Screen
oil
mesh.
bag is.
Screen mesh.
Sweet. Okay, till next time, right?
Till next time.
Sweet. Awesome.
Yep.
Okay, bye.